Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably dealing with TradingView running slow, lagging, or just feeling sluggish while you're trying to analyze charts. It happens to a lot of traders, and the good news is there are a few quick fixes that usually solve it fast. So let's walk through what to do step by step. The first thing to try is simple. Refresh the page. I know it sounds obvious, but TradingView can build up small glitches the longer it's open. A quick refresh using F5 can clear temporary issues and get things running smoother right away. Try that first and see if the platform starts responding faster. If the lag is still there, then it's time to go into your TradingView settings. Click the gear icon in the upper right corner, then head into the System section. Look for an option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This one setting makes a big difference. When it's turned off, your browser has to do all the processing on its own, which slows things down, especially if you have multiple indicators or charts open. So make sure Graphics Acceleration is enabled, then refresh again to apply it. Now, if you've done that and things are still dragging, the issue might actually be your browser. Some users notice that Chrome gets slow, especially if there are a lot of extensions installed. So try opening TradingView in a different browser, Firefox, Brave, Edge, whichever you have. You'd be surprised how often the lag disappears instantly just by switching browsers. It's like taking a different route home when the main road is jammed. Those three steps, refreshing, enabling graphics acceleration, and switching browsers, fix the lagging problem for most traders. But if you're still experiencing performance issues, it could be due to having too many tabs open, an older device, or running heavy screeners and alerts at the same time. Closing unused tabs or restarting your computer can help too. I hope this helped you get TradingView running smoothly again. If it did, give the video a thumbs up, and if you're still stuck or have other fixes that work for you, drop them in the comments so others can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward TradingView tips and trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!